red color, green color, blue color, yellow color, brown color, and black color. Kids, now you draw A and use red color. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. Okay, so now you draw E and use green color. E for elephant. F for fish. G for God. H for helicopter. I for ice cream. Okay, so now you draw J and use blue color. J for joker. K for king. L for lion. M for moon. It's now you draw N and use yellow color. N for nose. O for octopus. P for parrot. Q for queen. It's now you draw R and use brown color. R for rose. S for sun. T for teacher. U for umbrella. It's now you draw V and use black color. V for van. W for whale. X for xylophone. Y for yo-yo. And Z for zebra. It's now you draw numbers and use red color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Light green color, brown color, yellow color, blue color, red color, light green color, dark green color, sky blue color, orange color, dark pink color, black color, and purple color. It's now you draw A and use green color. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. Kids, now you draw E and use yellow color. E for elephant. F for fish. G for God. Kids, now you draw H and use light pink color. H for helicopter. I for ice cream. J for jackfruit. K for kangaroo. It's now you draw L and use black color. L for lemon. M for monkey. N for nest. Kids, now you draw O and use brown color. O for octopus. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rose. S for sun. T for teacher. U for umbrella. Kids, now you draw V and use sky blue color. V for van. W for whale. X for xylophone. Y for yo-yo. And Z for zebra. Purple color, sky blue color, dark pink color, brown color, yellow color, light green color, red color, dark green color, light green color, black color, blue color, and orange color. Kids, now you draw one and use purple color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Kids, now you draw 6 and use red color. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Kids, now you draw 11 and use yellow color. 11, 12, 13. Kids, now you draw 14 and use light green color. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Kids, now you draw 19 and use brown color. 19, 20, 21. Kids, now you draw 22 and use light green color. 22, 23, 24, 25. Kids, now you draw 26 and use blue color. 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.